Damn, those waves are gnarly.
We're actually surfing.
What's that?
Yeah, the wind's gonna rock us along, man.
Yeah, it's gonna push us right along.
Where are we headed?
Just going back in the bay, I guess.
It's a nice view. I want to ride my bike along that thing. It's been up forever. Well, it's coming up.
Is it moving now?
Yeah, it's going up. Yeah, it's going up. It just came down, man. It's going up now. We're missing it. We're missing it.
I think you just saw a female fish.
Right? Ooh, snap. We got 3 different options. You know, you can go for the day, hour, or whatever, for the night. Chilling, son. Oh, yeah. Fishing charter all day. Chilling on the ocean front. It's awesome. Let's check out that boat.
Pulling us right in. Wind inside. Yeah, that's super nice. I see, Rich, you can see the Morton house here nicely from over here.
Morton House?
My grandpa used to be the head chef there.
Remember in the old days, they used to have like a dollar lobster dinner on paper plates?
Well,
Dollar
that-
box.
There's a, I think in front of us there might be a, see where the razor break is? Right here?
Wait a minute, we gotta get closer.